Let's summarize the 10th webinar on Scrum Retrospective anti-patterns. We started with skipping retrospectives or postponing retrospectives or keeping retrospectives short, not allocating enough time to actually handling them in a proper way. We continue with Groundhog Day. Everything is the same all over. The blame game. The Scrum Master allows stakeholders and managers to participate in a team retrospective. Or even worse, the line manager of one or several team members participates in the retrospective. You exclude the product owner from the retrospectives. Or people are forced to participate in the retrospective instead of volunteering to join the effort of the team to become continuously better. Someone snitches and shares confidential information with someone else, mainly the management. The team picks pro forma action items. They can be UNSMART, there's no owner, and there's no follow-up. And last but not least, the facilities to actually host a retrospective are not very well suited for the kind of event that is going to take place. So that was the last webinar for 2018. Thanks a lot for your patience and participating in today's webinar. We will, of course, make this replay available on the YouTube channel. And if you like to join us next time, that will be on January 29th, 2019. Then we will be talking about Daily Scrum anti-patterns. See you until then. Bye-bye.